All right. Well, OBS wouldn't move off my screen for some reason. It was kind of weird. Um, so I had to quickly restart it, set the scenes again. I probably need to use other streaming software. But regardless, we got it fixed. Let's double check. All right. Now you can see what's actually on my screen, which is nice. Perfect. All right, what's up, everyone? Today, we got a lot to do today. We can start talking about the review service here, but let's pull up the app and let's kind of see what we could do. But the review service is kind of top of mind here. Run the server. You've been struck by a smooth criminal. All right. All right, so first things first, we want to do reviews, but we're going to start with a little bit of maintenance on the super admin profile. Let's go ahead and get there. You've been struck by smooth criminal. All right, so what we were doing yesterday is we were allowing people who are part of companies to change roles here. Now, one thing that you can see that's not good is no, this is fine. So we could change it and we want to debug it. So let's debug the pudding of changing the role. Make sure this works. And we will run this on... All right, we'll change you from a manager to an admin. Are we paused? Ah, it's not even calling what we want to see. Let's see where this is. So let's look at the admin company detail view. And here's the role sheet right here. Yeah, punk rock was probably one of my favorite eras of music. It really, really is a shame that it's just dead. All the small things. This music video is also fantastic. Just ripping on all the boy bands. Hilarious. All right, so what do we need to find? Is the actual safe functionality? What are you calling? Update company member role. All right, what is this API? API referral company update referral company member membership ID. Slop alert. All right, let's get the right. It's API referral company, and then below API referral company, it is work sucks. I know. I don't even know where it got this from. All right, there we go. This should actually call our new endpoint here. Now let's go ahead and update it with the save. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the stream. Happy to have you here. Make you an admin. Still not hitting it? Really? Say it ain't so. I will not go. Turn the lights off. No, this is it here. This is actually what we want to call. But we definitely don't need the user ID. All right, we could call. We need to update this whole API here. We need to update this whole API call here. And then we'll just pull the user from the. We have it here in caller, actually. We can just use caller.getID here. All right, ID members role. California, rest in peace. California. What is up, everyone? Welcome to the stream today. We got a lot to do, a lot to fix here. Look at this string. This spring interpolation here. Look at that. Counterintuitive. Where's the curly brackets? We use parentheses? What? Doesn't make any sense here. California, rest in peace. Amy. All right, let's hit the endpoint. Come on now. California, show your teeth. We got to rebuild the app because it's stuck in old state. Did you fail at all? Oh my god. All right, let's see what's going on here. And she was saving the best for last. Don't you raise. Something's wrong with this. California, rest in peace. Tiny just release. API referral company membership ID members role. And we're setting off a put here. Membership ID user role. Let's make sure that this is correct. What's this record? California. So it's just role. That's fine, because that's all we pass in the body there. All right, what's going on with this? Huh. All right, we're going to rerun this. All right, we are hiding what this actual error is. Let's go get it. Oh, Swift. Do catch block. And Swift, show me how to get this error so we could see it. Maybe we're just trying too hard. Is it implicit? In too deep and I'm trying to keep. So it's implicit. You don't need this. It's implicit. It's already there. Instead of going under. Instead of going under. All right, let's go see what the error is. Seems like each time I'm with you, I lose my mind because... All right, let's see what's going on here. Throwing me a 500? And you're not hitting my server, are you? No, you are. Okay, now we can see the error on our server. Ah, okay. I see what's wrong. I forgot to remove the path variable from it. Let's remove it. Instead of going under again. All right, this should be working now. We'll come back to that. We'll do some type of global error handling or something for that, but let's just kind of pull through here. It's not easy. I'm in too deep and I'm trying to keep up above and my again. Oh my god. This hot reload kind of just doesn't work well. Alright, this should work for debugging now. Oh, here it is. There's the arrow. Alright. So we're passing in manager here as a string. So does this need to be a string is the question. I think it does. Let's see what this deserialization error is. It's because we're passing in a string, but it's expecting part of that enum, so we probably have to do some type of cast. Do I need to cast to an enum here? Or just compare string to enum? Wow, whatever makes you brave. Yeah. All right, hold on. Yeah. Oh, that's why, because the record wants a... Yeah, okay. That's why. Let's go to the API. So we're going to go to the API and switch up the record to match the shape of that record. You know, in some languages, you could just put roll there and it'd be fine. Like in JavaScript, you could do this, but you probably have to do this. Roll, roll. Roll, roll. Can't do it, of course. It's not Swifty. We're not getting Swifty here. To pass to body. Roll as how to do that. So that's the only issue here. Let's go ahead and come back here and let's switch this back to what it was, which was user role. Switch it back to user role. And then all we have to do is pass it in to match the record. Oh, yeah, some Green Day. Let's go. Interesting. Okay. Let's go ahead and create the update company role request. So we pass in encodable because it's getting uploaded here. Perfect. So maybe America. That's not it. What did I just name this thing? Update company. God, I just cannot spell company role request. That's how you do it. So that's how you get Swifty right there. That's not how you get Swifty? It's roll roll. What are we doing? Oh, it's because it's a user role. Okay, no problem. You better compile. Yes. American idiot. New ties and shine. All right, let's get back to it. Sorry, we always got stuff going on. Always people reaching out. We got to keep focused, baby. Come on. You're going to be an employee. Nice. All right, let's make sure this works. What is your user ID? Your user ID is 7. So let's go ahead and get a query for that ready to go. We got to pull you from company members. What is wrong here? Is this the membership ID? It might be. No, this user does have an ID of 7. Oh, but I'm a super admin, so I'm not... This is the super admin's ID, so I'm not a member of any company. Shoot. Oh, we regressed it, of course. All right. That's why. That is why. All right, let's pass in user ID as well. Oh man. All right, let's pass in user ID. Let's go grab it. All right, then we pass in user ID here. So update company member role needs to be changed, actually. So let's go to where it is. And you have a user ID on you, don't you? Okay. Company memberships don't have a user ID on them, really? We'll probably have to give it a user ID. All right, let's up this to make sure we have user ID. So we can go ahead and perform that. Oh yeah, I saw your buddy that emailed me. I need to respond to him. Let's do it right now. See? All right, and we sent. All right, sent. Sorry about the delay there. But he sent me photos of his work. I liked it. I just don't know. I mean, his style is more like entrepreneur. Like, it's more entrepreneur. Like, oh, buy my course. So make 10 grand a month. Do that. So we'll see how he can kind of blend it with my vibe of more tech focus. So we will see. All right, where are we passing this in? But I appreciate you again for giving me that referral. Let's just see what member is and grab the ID. So selected member is just a user. I could actually get it from member. So let's update this. Let's update this to include what we need, which is the user ID. Yes, 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 I hear you. Been a long. There we go. So we passed the user ID, then we just have to grab it from members. You need it too. Member.id. Yeah. Have to update our protocol. Company member role right here. Oh no, alright, because in the mock we need to update. Show me where in the mock. Oh my god, alright, where is the update? Oh, where's that update function? It's right here. There we go. All right, so we want to see this role here change to admin. Let's go see it happen. Very nice. Now let's change it back to a manager. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. All right, this is fine for now. Okay, perfect. Let's go ahead and commit. This is pretty solid. We got all right, let's go ahead and push. Company member role endpoint. Endpoint. Okay, very nice. Now we have that going. Let's get into what we need to do next. Now, I'm gonna be honest, I gotta sit. My back's just been killing me. Squatted the other day, and my back says you need to lie down. Oh, God, does that feel better? Oh, man. I'm telling you, just picking up a kid, it's a 40-pound weight that you're just putting on your back every single time. Oh, all right. Now, we could change roles, but we need one more functionality on the admin side that I've been neglecting, and it's definitely needed. So why we got here in the first place is because we can't add members to each company. We can only do that within the user invite. So we need to now have members and then have an edit button here. So for the members in the edit company, admin, edit, and the admin company details view, admin company details view on the members portion I need to add functionality to add users as well as the existing member role completion. What I want is a user search, user autocomplete, search of all users that aren't a part of the company, of the current company. And if I add them, we send out the invite. We send out the invite email? Do we want to send out the invite email if you're added here? What is the invite email? Let's check our invite controller. We haven't seen this in a while. Like, should I make a different template for this? Create invite. Okay, we should probably create another email. Okay. Create me another email template for adding an existing user to a company I want to show, to say that you've been added to this company. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and create that endpoint. Let's go to the email service. So you can trade the controller for that. Do I need any invited logic here? What is our invite really is only for new users. So see, the whole point of this invited here is just to add... There's a yam right here. Hey, yo, way, yo, way, yo, way. This is Nickelback, huh? Wow, Chad Kroger, yeah. Absolute legend. He gets too much hate for no reason. I really don't know why he gets so much hate. I think they just overplayed the crap of How You Remind Me, which led to this happening. Okay, so email service, send added to company. We got this here, so we just need to create a post. See, this doesn't need to be in the referral, in the invite controller necessarily, does it? Because really, what we're editing here is... Now, which controller does this go in? Should I put this in the invite controller? Because I'm not inviting them. I'm not creating an invite. So I don't think there's any reason to actually put them here. So let's go to the referral company controller. Let's add a private final for email service. Okay. And then we already have company private final company member referral company member repo. That's what we need. So we just need to create the record right there. It was easy to sell. He's held out of me. What do you say? Invite. Add user to company. Hey, oh, way, oh, way, oh, way. We dance on into they'll say, and we say, hey, away, and this entity. Hey, away, away, away. Add user to company. Is this Morgan Page right here? Always a banger anytime this song comes on. I'm just in circles on you now. See that on for sure. I don't even know what this request body is gonna have. The sorry. No, what I want is a user automatically search all users who are part of the employee, and if that employee is found, is added, send an API request. I mean, really, all I need is a user ID and company ID. Request with info of user to add and company to add to and role as well. All right, let's go ahead and add this. Let me make sure. Let's make sure we're grabbing all the right referrals here. All right, so we just need the role, company, user ID. Boom. Simple. Very simple. I fight for you. Switch up the music. Oh, I listened to this yesterday. Oh. Can't say no. I can't say no. This song's an absolute yam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take me to your best friend's house. Go around this roundabout. Oh, yeah. And then here we go. Like, why are you adding that note? Don't leak it tongue-tied. Don't waste your goodbye. API referral company, add referral company member. Yeah, I like it like this, actually. Let's do it like this. Don't leave me tongue-tied. And then we just pass everything in the body of the post request. We're kind of mixing it up there with the API design. In your eyes. Don't leave me tongue-tied. This is, what am I even doing? Probably put the ID here. Don't wake me tongue-tied. API referral add referral company member. Take me to your best friend's house. Go around. Don't leave me tongue-tied. User ID, company ID, role. Long user ID. Ah, that drop right there. We gotta hear it again. God, every time. So good. Euphoria. What's up, RTX? Butter Smooth Land. Hey, not much, man. What's good with you? What you working on? What you building, man? Fill me in. We are doing some hand coding here, as people call it, apparently. Don't leave me down. Oh, we need to curly bracket this. There we go. Okay. And now we're going to go request body. Okay, so what do we need to do here? Here's my emo screamo playlist for the gym. The reasons. See. All right, we're going to throw these all through services. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add in the referral company service a referral company member. What is this? So, goated playlist today. That you see still alive and breathing. Better now, I think what you see. Everything is gonna be yo. Even though everything that you see is still alive and kicking. Ain't gonna watch you say everything in front of me, yo. Referral company service. What are you? Where are you? Okay. All right, we're gonna add it to the referral company service. I'll make a note. Add in company, referral company members. Oh, the memory and all of my music. What do I want to return here? Didn't need to return anything, honestly. Yo, someone know. Wrong with me? I wanna know what's wrong with me. I can ask you the exact same thing. What's wrong with me? You wanna know what's wrong with me? All right, let's add the referral company member here. I don't even think we have it up here. Oh, we do. Beautiful. I know. What it ain't now, what they see. Everything in front of me, yeah. I do never everything. User ID. Okay, so we need the actual user. Alright, we'll get the actual user in 1 second. And I need the company. Okay. So we'll pass those in. Here in the foreign land, won't lose my will to say. I to travel through the night, I to decide. What is wrong with you? You are perfect. Alright, we'll return a referral company member. Alright, but what's wrong with this save? Let's take a look. It's because it's member. That's why. Do we need to actually return something here? Yeah, but we don't need to. I don't think the email service needs to know anything here. All the email service needs to know is that this is completed. So we can leave this as void. Okay. Alright, so we're going to referral. Okay. Let's add to, well, actually, first thing we need to do is get the user and the company. So let's go ahead and do that. Repo. Oh, I don't even have the user repo. God dang. Let's not bring in the user repo here. But we do have All right, we'll do it everything in the service. That's probably the best way to do it. Okay. We will just grab everything right here. All right, let's make the queries. User repo. Sometimes I wonder why die or everything in our lives. I'll take you picture of myself. Take an int? He said, all right, now all we have to do is come here and do this. Boom. Let's be verbose here. It's Java. We gotta be verbose. Nice. Do you think you want me? God, what is wrong with you? Oh, I'm returning? It's not return. No reason to return. Implicit return. Okay, now that we have this, let's now go back and add it. Best of intentions. I can't. What was it? Company ID. Alright, what is it actually? What's the signature user ID role? Okay, nice. Now send email to alert that user. Bye. Yeah, the global will handle that, so I don't really need to do anything here. I keep on thinking that it's all over now. To email. Yeah, looks like we're returning anyways. Lay down. God, so now I have to get user up here. I have to get user up here to send it. Now make this time play what you want. Alright, fine. We will do it. Say what you want. And then let's remove it. Again, now it's all good and all over now. Save me, save me. Oh, it's already there. We have user service right there. Okay. Get user by ID. Okay, let's get the abstraction on top of it. This is not the user this is not the user service. Come on. Oh, Wiz Khalifa. Okay. Oche. You not listen to me? I will unsubscribe you. Dude, go ahead. I'm Karthik here from India. Oh, what's up, Karthik? How you doing, man? What's up, y'all? Teach you to fly. Taylor game? Man, I'm made. Man, I'm paid. I know I'm the maze. I can teach you to fly. 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 Take you on the ride. Everybody's Oh man, I did this. I'm just not structuring this right. All right, let's structure it right. Abstract it up. So I was right the first time. For so long. Can be a boyfriend. Do all the kinky. Fly. Oh, optionals. Thank you all along. Is this not an optional? Alright, that's fine. Get name, boom, finally. Okay, there we go. Let's just construct this API here. I want you. There we go. Hold me. It's not a T. Send email to alert that the user has been added to company. That I'm missing. Night have never been gone. Close to me. That's what this should be. The non-generic type of response entity be here. Be here, a string. You should be close to me. Do things that have never been done to get you close to me. I'm allergic to spelling company, right? Alright. Let's update the test here on the front end. Let's update the test here on the front end, and then let's get this new update in. You should be close to me. I do things that have never been done to get you close to me. Close to me. Should be close to me. Calls load members. That's fine. What's load members doing? We're gonna have to check what load members is doing. What is load members? Where are you calling? You just straight up call load members? Close to me. Here it is. Okay. Here's the add member sheet that we're gonna add here. We'll review this once we get this in, but just kind of that initial pass there, it looks fine. Close to me. You should be close to me. Let's push this down a little bit. What's up, y'all? Let's keep going. You mind if I share something I've been building? Need some feedback. Yeah, man. Let me see it. Is it in prod? Is it a tool for vibe coders? What is it? And what is it? Would this be response string? I know, but I don't need the created thing. There we go. This is what I really wanted. Thank you. Change my picture. Smash my bitch up. That's what I wanted. Change my picture. My bitch up. How you gonna share? Are you gonna send me a link to your website? You gonna send me an email, man? Let me know. Love to see it. Yes, fix. Fix the typo. Smack my up. Right, let's go over everything. Matt my bitch up. We'll have to invite me. We'll do that in a second. Check it out. Let's check out what we got here with this adding of the user to a company. Okay, so we filtered out anything that could be a part of the company. That's good. Change my picture. All right. Oh, are you kidding me? What is this error? Did I spell this wrong? I probably did. It's literally the exact same spelling. Is it going to compile now? API referral company, add referral company member. Yeah, no, that's right. This is all solid. Where did it get that endpoint not found? Is this hard coded in here? Huh. Okay. I am not sure, because this should... Girls don't... it's a post mapping. Yeah. Why is that? Maybe because I didn't rerun it. All right, let's check the email real quick. Did the email get sent? Yes. Nice. Nice. Boys will laugh at girls when it's not funny. These boys like the boys like the boys like these girls, and girls with their bodies. And boys, girls like cars and money. Let's go. All right. Nice. We got solid functionality here now. Very nice. All right. All of them boys and all of the girls losing this. All right, all right. We gotta switch up the music, of course. There we go. All right, we gotta switch it up a little bit. Don't worry, we got off the copyrighted stuff. Jeez, all right. Trying to have fun. All right, we've added the user here. We've seen the emails that get sent. Everything looks really solid here. Let's go ahead and go into our auth details view. Auth view model, and then let's update who we're logging in as. So let's go from the super admin, and let's now go to the user here. Let's switch active company. Very nice. Okay, so we could switch our active company here. That's really good. So now users could be a part of multiple companies. Okay, so that was big. Let's go ahead and save it. Let's add in super admin. Add user to company. God, T-Muck sometimes. There we go. Oh no. When the command's the same as the command you want to use. I have that mapped to Control A, but Control A is how you get to the start here. Push that up. Let's go here. All right, that's very nice. Now let's keep going here. There is favorites I've been wanting to get to. Favorites is not pressing enough. Let's find something pressing. Obviously the UI, but we're not going to hit UI for a minute. See what we get with the chat. You can only send chats to people. So that's the thing. We only want you to be able to send chats to people if you connect with the company. Let's go ahead and start talking about it. All right, so I only want for you to be able to send chats to other companies if you are connected with that company. If you're not connected with that company, the only thing I want you to be able to send them is a referral. So all you could do is send them a referral to get in contact with them. And then once you send the referral and they accept, that's when you can message them. So let's plan how we're going to add this permission for sending messages from company to company. All right, I'm going to let this cook. I'll be right back, y'all. I'm going to go get some food. That wasn't slick. I'll be right back. Starving. All right, we're back. Okay, let's start looking over our plan here. No. Connections. What if the referral is rejected? Just share. just share feedback in the notification. Or should, and once connection is made, should the company to always that client, or should be messaging based on a referral? Ooh, let's see. So we're gonna talk through a few points here of how we want to set up the connections and how we want to set up the messaging. All right. Yeah, but here's the reason. If they have messaging capabilities, why would they need to send a well, so obviously if you're checking with our company, you could just send them chat through our chat. But the whole point is, so the thing is, you have to think about here is like, once you build a relationship with a company, how do you keep sending referrals? And that's where we win here, because obviously if you meet the company, send them one referral, then why would you use us for the next referral? You would just go directly to them and not pay our convenience fee. So why would they use us? They would use us for trust. They would use us for payment. They would use us for having other people within the company send this message. Because here's the thing. If I know a company, he knows me. He doesn't know the rest of my company. So if anyone else was to go and try to send a message, they have little incentive to do so. And that's the thing, you know, we want people who send referrals to see payments. So for example, like if I have a referral, but I'm an employee at a company, and I'm like, oh, like boss, like you should send this to that buddy of yours. Okay, so he goes to send it to that friend of his. There's no way you're gonna get paid or get any money. So really the only thing here is like trust and transparency, and the reviews is what's gonna stand out here. So give me a second here. I think that's the plan here. Okay. Let's send rejection of connection of referral with an optional message. And then let's open up chat between the two companies only once the referral is accepted. So let's remove the search functionality of the messages to message any company, and only show that company in a thread on the messaging, in a conversation on the messages, when the referral is accepted. Okay, perfect. Off screen. Machine or another machine. Machine, I'm also. Another machine. All right, let's keep going here. Let's go ahead and add this functionality in here. All right, and then let's look at request declined. Let's include a message in the decline reason. Company referral members. It's just company members. What am I even doing? Select. All right, let's add rejection request to it. Let's add rejection message. Decline message to the referral request entity and create a migration for it to update the request. And to update the no referral request. Migration for it to this should be a varchar 500 optional. We don't got much more on this stream. We'll probably go another 10-15 minutes. I gotta do some other stuff, of course. Sorry, tell me. Row. Change everything. I'm gonna update this YouTube video I posted. It's just not getting any engagement, and I really want to blame this stupid thumbnail. So bad. Days in a row changed everything. There we go. That's a better thumbnail. It's like, you know, I wonder if I should honestly change what this YouTube video is like. It's not performing well at all. Terrible thumbnail. Let's grab. This is better. There we go. Yeah, at least looks a little bit better. All right. Well, 2-1 add a decline message on the back end and then on the client side. And 2 to go ahead and create the connection for user accepts the referral request. Only then can the two users message each other. Okay. So that's how we'll do the connection request here. Let's pause here. Pause here. All right, let's check this migration. Where'd you add it? 127? Alright, get rid of this crap. This has to go on the bottom. Beautiful. Perfect. All right. check this migration real quick. All right, looks good. Let's migrate it. And let's look at the entity. Perfect. All right, let's pause everything here. Perfect. All right, y'all. That's pretty much it for today's stream. Whew, we got pretty much a good amount done with our app. We're really moving forward here. I appreciate y'all for sticking around.